What's up YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In this video I do want to just go over a funny story that happened a couple days ago that could have ended bad as far as me being embarrassed. And just wanted to give you guys this story. I felt like it was something that I wanted to just tell you guys, and that some of you guys can learn from it as well. So a couple days ago, I ended up lining up 3 deals. So 3 deals. We all were going to meet up at McDonald's. I believe the start time was 11 a.m. and then I had 15-minute increments, meaning 11 a.m. then the next person will come at 11:15, and the next person will come at 11:30. So I tried to get those out of the way. That's the way I kind of do things to make it easier for me. But what had happened was I got there early like I always do. Got out the car, went to the McDonald's, had everything set up, took out my folder, my bill of sale, my SIM cards, everything was all set up. The first person came. So the first person comes, they end up having this iPhone 8 Plus, right? So iPhone 8 Plus, it is 64 gigs and it is unlocked. So I offered them $350 for it. They accepted it. When I got to when they came to McDonald's, I inspected the phone and I saw, I don't know if you guys can see this, it's really small. Hopefully it'll focus, but if it doesn't focus, that's fine. But it is a really small, like I want to call it a crack, but it's just a defect, some type of defect that was something that I couldn't buy as used. So I just kept inspecting it. Everything cleared as far as IMEI. All the tests that I ran, it was fine. Then I just said, hey, this little spot right here is kind of bothering me. I don't know if I can sell this as used, so I'm gonna have to offer you a different price. So I offered him a different price and he accepted. I actually offered him $300 for it. I went through the process that I normally do. I did the bill of sale, had him read it, had him sign it, all that. And then I checked my bag where I keep my cash. I have like a bag you can get at like the banks where you're carrying a lot of cash, and open that up to only find business cards. Now, I was surprised, I didn't check beforehand like I should have, just due to me being in a rush. So then I go to my wallet and see how much I have there. So I pull out the money in my wallet. I'm counting, all the way up till I get to the offering price, which is $300. And I literally only had $302 in my wallet. So luckily, this phone right here had this mark, or that would have been a very awkward and embarrassing situation where I had to say, well, man, I'm sorry, I don't have enough money. I have to go to the bank. And that would have been very unprofessional. And then, on top of that, guys, it's very important for you guys to make sure everything is good to go beforehand. I thought I had cash on me. Did not, remember that the day before that, I did make a big purchase. I ended up buying like 6 brand new iPhone XS Maxes. So I spent the last of that money for the week. So you just take out money for Monday, and then I'll probably re-up or around like Saturday. But I didn't have any money. This was on Friday. Didn't have any money for the next pickup as well, or for the next 2 pickups. So after I bought the phone for $300, I had to rush over. Luckily there was a Chase right across the street. I had to rush over there and then end up buying the next 2 phones. But I figured it was a funny story. I panicked. I'm not gonna lie, I did panic. Because when I was counting it, when I reached I had about $290 in just big bills, and then a 10, and then I had the rest of them as 1. So I had to count out 10 ones to reach $300. So I didn't have the right amount. That's very important, you guys. This has never happened to me. This is the first time it's happened to me. Usually I check beforehand. I guess I just got too excited because I was going to pick up 3 phones in 30 minutes. So I was excited. I rushed over there, did not check my bag for money. Luckily, I did have the right amount. Luckily that this phone had this issue where I did offer that. So I didn't even know, you know, going in that I only had $302 to my name at the time, and I offered him 300. So it all worked out fine. Again, guys, that would have been a bad situation. That would have been very, very unprofessional. So you guys, when you guys are making deals, please check beforehand your cash and how much you have. You know, and you should be good to go. But you know, I laughed after it was all said and done. I was hoping you guys could, you know, kind of get some value from it as well, but also get a chuckle, you know, because it was funny to me, and it all worked out at the end of the day. So the cool thing about it is that I'm actually selling this phone to a friend for $450. So I bought it for $300, and I'm gonna sell it to him for $450. I showed him the mark. He does not care about that. So it did all work out at the end of the day. Again, guys, check your money before you leave. You know, you don't want to be in a situation where you pull out your cash and you don't even have enough. You know, that's embarrassing, and that's not professional at all. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.